Hey friends, this is not clickbait. Let me explain why I'm doing this, who this is for, and how you can get a MacBook Pro. A little while ago, my family was in desperate need of something we can edit video on, and we ran into a lovely man who had a MacBook Pro for sale that he was willing to give me because of my need. And it turns out he had something called the Rolling Waves Foundation, which helps people find bikes or devices that they're just in need of. So I've been using this to edit most of the videos on this channel. Now, we've been fortunate enough to upgrade to a newer MacBook Pro, but as my wife and I talked about this, we thought it feels wrong to sell this since it was such a blessing, so we want to give it to someone who it would be a blessing for. So seriously, no strings attached. If this would be a blessing to you, let me know and we will ship it to you for free. It's a 2019, it's not new by any means, but it can do everything on a browser and handle some light video editing. I was trying to think of how to find the right person to give this to, because I want it to be as big a blessing to them as it was to us, but I don't want anyone to have to like or subscribe or comment or share their whole life story. So we're gonna kind of do an honor system thing where if this is really gonna be a help, shoot me an email and just say it would be a help. And I will let you know if it's yours and you can give me your address. And by the way, Rolling Waves Foundation helps a lot of people. So if you've got a spare buck or two, I'll put them in the description. Donate to them and help some people get devices that would be useful to them as well. I'll let this go for a couple of weeks. So if you're watching this by December 15th, shoot me an email. If it's December 16th, then it's probably too late, but you can always send an email saying hello. And just to clarify, if you can afford a MacBook Pro, please don't reach out asking for this one. I want this to go to someone who cannot afford it. So let me know and I will talk to you soon.